intending home buyers in Hoover, Alabama, before you decide on buying that expensive house, you need to see this one. Okay, let's take a tour. This is what the house looks like on the outside. I'm gonna give you a tour of the inside and let me know if it's worth the price. Okay, let's go. We're going this way. Laundry area right here. First room. This is a 4-bed, 3-bathroom, and we have one room downstairs and the master's room also downstairs. Before I show you the second room, which is the master's room, I'm gonna go show you the 2 rooms upstairs, okay? We have a huge area here which can pass for a game room or a second living space. This is the other room. It's quite spacious. Here is the restroom for these 2 rooms upstairs. So I'll go ahead and show you the master's bedroom. Here is the master's bedroom with the wooden antique right here. That's the restroom. So beautiful with a standalone shower and a little toilet area. Guys, look at the walk-in closet. Just take a look at this massive walk-in closet. This is where the jacket goes. Little cloth area. Yeah. Let me give you a little tour of the neighborhood. It's so peaceful. This is the kind of neighborhood you want to live in. It's within the Ross Bridge area, and you don't want to miss this home. Less than 500,000. Come, let me give you a personal and more, up close view of the house, and then you can make your decisions. You've seen the house. Tell me what you think in the comments. Let me know if it's worth the price. Reach out and come see it for yourself. Okay? Have a good day. Bye.